Right. You all have seen the video, right? In the video, what you have learned, how the XYZ axis are dividing a plane into 8 parts. Those 8 parts are called as octants. Okay, we have learned it. And also how OXYZ, so differently we have learned it. Okay, let me brief a few things on that. Okay, now this is OX, OY, OZ. Now X and Y we can call as XOY plane or XY plane. And here this side, so this side what you can call as, that plane is called as YOZ plane or YZ plane. Similarly, here X and Z present this side, so then it is called as XZ plane. XZ plane. Okay, fine. Once again. Right. Okay, if you see here a board, see it's a three-dimensional y, z, y and x axis. If you see here, this is x axis. We can talk it as x axis. Clearly? Fine. So now here this xz plane occupies. So then I can call it as, it is xz. It is called as xz. And it made by zy. YZ plane. Clear? And if you take, this is x and y, so done by, this is called xy plane. So this is xy plane, xz plane, yz plane. Right? This is that. Okay, next. Now, if you see here, let us assume a point on, let us assume a point in space. That is P, A, comma, B, comma, C. Right? Now, from the point, let us assume we have drawn the perpendiculars to the respective planes. Now, a point lies on y-axis. A point lies on y-axis with respect to A, comma, B, comma, C. What we can say that it lies on y-axis, right? X value, Z value, 0. So you can write it as 0, comma, y, comma, 0. So with respect to, okay, right. Let me write all those things. So with respect to x-axis. So with respect to x-axis, or it lies on x-axis, it will be in the form of x comma 0 comma 0. So with respect to this P comma A comma B comma C on x-axis, it will be A comma 0 comma 0. And on y-axis, it will be 0 comma y comma 0. Then with respect to this point, what you can write it? 0 comma B comma 0. And with respect to point C, it means point C on where? Z axis. On Z axis. So xy value will be 0. 0 comma 0 comma Z. Now here what you have to write it? 0 comma 0 comma C. Right? Now if you see that C dash, where is C dash? C dash lies XOY plane. It means XY plane. Z will be 0. So Z will be 0. With respect to this point, we can write as A comma B comma 0. So XZ plane. It lies on XZ plane. What do you write it? X comma, sorry, XY plane. X comma Y comma 0. Now it lies in YZ plane. Lies in YZ plane. X value 0. So B dash point will be 0 comma B comma C. So what will learn now? YZ plane. 0 comma y comma z. Now it lies in xz plane. It means y value 0. So what we write it? A comma 0 comma c. So here xy plane, what do you write it? X comma 0 comma z. Okay. So have you understood this whole thing? Right. Now. Okay. Similarly, we have learned in the video, we learned the octants O, X, Y, Z and also O, X, Y dash Z, O, X dash, Y, Z, like we learned it. What are that? O, X, Y, Z, O, X dash, Y, Z, like we have learned all this. So 8 octants we learned it. These 8 octants, 4 octants will be on top layer and 4 octants will be down layer. Then how to know that they are all top layer, down layer? So concentrate on Z value. If Z value, it is instead of Z, Z dash, if it is Z, then it will be the down layer. If it is Z, it will be the upper layer, right? So now O, X, Y, Z. O, X, Y, Z. Z is upper layer, right? Now, I'll show you how to remember all those things, okay? Now, Z is upper layer. So, upper layer. So, remember this X coordinate. XY axis, remember. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Z is upper right. See here, all are positive. So, these first four are upper layer. Now, in this octant, in this quadrant, both are plus. So, O, X, Y, Z. Z is positive. Forget about that one. X and Y. X and Y. First octant. First octant. Here see, plus plus. First quadrant. Next, what is this one? Minus, plus. Minus, plus. Then what you could say? Here second quadrant. Here see, here also minus, plus. Second octant, right? And next one, this one minus, minus. Both are minus. What do you say? Third quadrant. Now here we say third octant. Third octant. Next one plus comma minus. Plus comma minus. What do you say? Plus minus. So fourth quadrant. Here also what you could say? Fourth octant. What you could say? This one fourth octant. So this is a way you have to remember. Now suppose Z dash. Z dash if it comes. So all are negative. So negative, then you have to go down layer. So these are all down layers. These are all the down layers. Now I have to talk about which octant they are belongs to. Same way, first plus plus. We are going down, right? So we have to start from 5. So first one, both are plus plus, right? 5, fifth octant. Next one, minus plus. Then sixth octant. Then minus minus, seventh octant. Plus minus, eighth octant. So if you want to define any points, you concentrate on Z value. Z is positive and negative. If it is a positive, go to the upper layer. Then consider the XY value. If both are, suppose I'll tell you 1 point, minus 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now here Z value is fine. It is positive. Then we have to come to this first 4. Positive. And this one negative, positive. So what we know that negative positive says that second quadrant. So then here belongs to second octant. Clear? Now suppose I said minus 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 5 I said. Minus 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 5 I said it. Then minus Z value negative. So then you have to go down. Now both are negative. When you are going down, we have to start from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have to go like that. Now both are negative. Both are negative lies in this one. So what is that? 7th. So we have to talk about that 7th octant. So this is a way to remember all those things. Okay. Let us do some more problems on this. Okay. Now if you see, name the octants of the following, where they lies. See, just now I taught you how to remember the things. Now just you draw XY axis. Based on that you can define all. Right. This is X, X dash, Y, Y dash. Right. Now this is, we know, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Similarly, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. See, 5, 6, 7, 8 we have to take when it is Z value negative. 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to take it when Z value is positive. Right? Okay, now see. Now 1, 2, 3. So concentrate on first Z. Z value is positive. Z value is positive, right? Z value positive, so upper layer. So now both are positive. Both are positive where? First octant. First octant. Next, here also Z is positive. Z is positive. But here plus minus. According to that plus minus, where it is here? Here is plus minus. So it is fourth octant. Fourth octant. When it is go to that one, it is quadrant. When it is come here, octant. Now see, 9. 9 is negative. 9 is negative, then you have to go down. Go down. Fine. Then see here, this is actually plus plus, and this one minus plus, and this is minus minus and plus minus. Now if you see, this is plus minus. Plus minus, where it is plus minus? Down layer. Down layer, then it is down layer. So plus minus, then according to that one, what? 8th octant. Next, both are this 8th one, this one Z value negative, and but both are positive. Both are positive. See, both are positive. Which octant? That is 5th octant. Next one, this is positive, so go up, first layer, up layer. Then both are negative. Both are negative according to this one, 3rd quadrant, and here 3rd octant. Then Z value negative. Z value negative, we have to come down. So both are minus. Both are minus. Then we have to go down 7th layer. So we can say 7th octant. So like this, we can easily mark all the octants. Okay. Similarly, we can write name of the octants also. What are the name of the octants? See here, Z positive, Y positive, X positive. So we can write as O, X, Y, Z. Now here, X positive, Y negative. So O, X, Y dash, and Z. And here, look, X positive, Y negative, Z negative. So O, X, Y dash, Z dash. And if you see here, X positive, Y positive, Z negative. So O, X, Y, Z dash. And next, this one, minus 1. So what you can write in? O, X dash, Y dash, Z. Because both are negative, so X dash, Y dash, Z. And similarly here, all are negative. So O, X dash, Y dash, Z dash. O, X dash, Y dash, Z dash. Right. Some more concepts. How to find the images. How to find the images with respect to x-axis, with respect to y-axis, with respect to z-axis. We have learned all these all in 9th standard. Now similarly, minus 2 comma 3 comma 4 in yz plane, what is its image? What is its image? How it will be? See here, he said yz, right? Then which is missing? X is missing. So the value of x, you change it. If it is plus, minus. If it is minus, plus. So that will be the image. So the image will be yz. So y value, z value will not change. Only x value need to be changed. So the answer here minus 2. So plus 2. Then he said xy plane. Xy plane means we have to change the z value alone. So then what we can say? 5 comma 2 comma 7. Next, xz plane. Xz plane. Now minus 4, minus 5, 4, minus 3. So y value will change. So minus 5, minus 4, and minus 3. See, remember x and z he said, so only y value need to change, x and z will not change. And xz, he said xz plane, so only value of y need to be changed. Only value of y need to be changed. So it become, here y value already 0, right? So it won't be changed. So minus 5, 0, 3 asterisk. And xy plane, so z value need to change. Z already 0. So it is minus 5, 0, 0. Okay, suppose he said the same point in yz plane. Same point in yz plane, 5 alone need to change. So the point will be 5 comma 0 comma 0. Okay, now previously we have learned all the octants, right? Let us recall once again. Now here 4 is positive. So 4 is positive, so it is upper layer. So upper layer and both are positive. So what do you say? First octant. And similarly this one also, first octant. And Z, it is negative. So it is negative. According to us, what we have done? 5, 6, 7, 8. Z negative. So both are negative. Say both are negative. So 7th octant. And minus 5, 0, 3. Minus 5, 0, 3. So it lies on y value 0. So x dash z plane. Y value 0. And here it is minus 5 comma 0 comma 0. So both y value z value 0. So it lies on OX dash axis. So this is plane. Right? And this one 5 comma 0 comma 0. It lies on OX axis. Clear? Fine.